bad hinge here, been pulled out, screws have been drawn out of the architrave jam. So first of all I need to get the door supported. I've got my hammer and a bit of wood there, get it supported, and I can take the pressure off this hinge. That's the door supported. Take a look at the hinge. Now it's free, so I can get these screws out, which are quite loose, but I will require a screwdriver. And have a look behind. Hopefully this isn't split, that tends to happen. And removing screws like this, a good tip is, because they need cleaning, because they've been painted, then I need to try and get a screwdriver in to remove that, to get a grip. But because these have been drawn out, then now that the hole is too big, then these screws are just going to push back in. I don't want to force that all away, but as soon as I put a screwdriver to that, it's going to go in and it's not going to achieve anything. So either a pair of pliers, grip them and turn them, or simply the chuck on the drill, lock it onto, and we'll get them off. I've already took one screw out. With a pair of pliers, you can just get the screw and just turn it a bit, because you need it proud, so then you can get your drill onto it. So I'll just put this on the screwdriver setting, slow. Right, just as I thought, it has split through these two. Like it's already been repaired, so I might have to get a screw in that way. Right, door's coming off. Top hinge, that's okay, not a problem. So the bottom hinge, like I said, splits running through, and it looks like it has been plugged in the past. So screws, not a lot of meat on them, so I might use a better screw than that. But, and like I say, the real reason why is this has already been screwed, it's already been repaired. So these are obviously just drawing out. So what I need to do is put this in. Let's just wind it in a little bit. And then, let's see if I get any movement on this. So that crack's not opening, it's just that gap, they're just pulling out. Right, bigger screw. With this, depth isn't the issue, because this piece of architrave is just stuck on the surface. So the actual door jamb, the door surround, is only going to be an inch and a half. This is one of the original screws, and they're the screws that I took out. So this is one of the old flatheads. Now what I'm going to put back in is one of these. So it's a wood screw and it's threaded right to the end. So we notice these aren't threaded. So been repaired, the wood has been put in, but it's drawn it all out. So what I've done here is made some plugs, some small dowels, and these are obviously different sizes, so I've kept them separate, top, middle, bottom, and these can be inserted. Now before I put them in there, what I do have is some wood glue. So rapid set. Now it says it sets in 2 minutes, but it will take a while for it to cure. I'll check that time in a minute, but first of all I'll just give these a dip. And then top, pop that one in there. Cloth. Make sure they're flush. That's okay. This adhesive sets in 2 minutes. It's workable for up to 5 minutes and cures in 2 hours, but again would always leave it longer. But yeah, rapid set. So now I can get the door back on. I'll pilot these when I get the hinge here. That'll be a lot better. problem there.